Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I am Joe.
Hi, everyone, and I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very simple, but very important, something we all talk about,
Every single day, without even thinking.
our everyday activities.
The things you do from morning to night.
Waking up, eating breakfast, going to work.
Studying, working, relaxing.
Many English learners ask this question: how can I explain my daily life in English?
Yes, this is a very common question.
Because people often ask, what do you do every day?
Or, how was your day?
And sometimes the words feel stuck.
You know what you want to say, but English feels slow.
That feeling is normal.
Everyone feels that way at the beginning.
The good news is this: you don't need difficult English.
You don't need long sentences.
Simple words are enough.
Simple sentences work best.
In this episode, we focus on real-life English.
The kind people actually use.
English for daily routines.
English for normal days.
Before we continue, one small thing.
Yes, just a quick moment.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video.
And subscribe to the channel. It really helps us.
Now let's come back to the topic.
Daily activities are everywhere.
At home, at work, outside.
Talking about your day helps you connect.
It helps you make conversation.
It helps you feel confident.
We'll use easy examples, very clear examples.
Things you already do every day.
Nothing complicated, no pressure.
Just natural English, step by step.
So imagine this: someone asks about your day.
You smile and you feel ready to answer.
That's the goal.
And it starts with small actions, the simple things you do each day.
Those everyday moments matter more than people think. They are the first things we share in conversation.
Exactly. Someone asks a simple question and the conversation starts naturally.
Questions like, how was your morning? Or, what did you do today?
These questions feel easy, but answering in English can feel slow.
That's because many learners try to think too much. They look for perfect sentences.
But real conversations don't need perfection. They need clarity.
Let's think about mornings. Everyone has one, even if they are different.
Some wake up early, some wake up late. Both are normal.
You can start very simply. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 9.
One sentence is enough. You don't need more.
Then you can add one small action. I brush my teeth. I make coffee.
These are strong sentences. They sound natural.
Many learners think longer is better, but short sentences are clearer.
And easier to remember, and easier to say.
After mornings comes work or study, another common topic.
People ask about this often, especially when meeting someone new.
You can say, I go to work at 9, or I study in the morning.
No extra details needed, just the main idea.
If you want, you can add one more line. I work from home.
Or, I work in an office.
That already tells a clear story, simple and complete.
And it feels comfortable to say.
This is how conversations grow, one small sentence at a time.
No pressure, no rush, just natural sharing.
As the day moves on, people talk about breaks.
Lunch is a very common topic.
You can say, I eat lunch at 1. I eat at home.
Or, I eat with coworkers.
These details help others relate.
Because they do the same things too.
That shared feeling builds connection.
And that's when English starts to feel easier.
Now, let's stay closer to everyday life. Not big trips, just regular movement.
Yes, the kind of travel people do every day.
Going to work, going to school, running small errands.
These things happen without thinking.
That is why they are perfect for practice. You already know the story.
You only need the English words.
Someone may ask you, "How do you get to work?"
A very common question.
You can answer simply, "I take the bus." "I drive."
Short answers are completely fine.
You can also add one small detail. It takes 30 minutes.
That already sounds natural.
Some people walk, some people ride a bicycle.
Those are great options.
You can say, "I walk because it is close."
That explains your reason.
Reasons help conversations continue.
Yes, they invite more questions.
Another useful word is commute. It means your daily trip.
Many people use that word at work.
You can say, "My commute is long," "My commute is easy."
Very practical sentences.
Sometimes travel is stressful. Traffic, crowded buses.
We all know that feeling.
You can express it simply. The bus is crowded.
No need for complex language.
Other days feel calm. Quiet roads, empty trains.
Those days feel good.
You can share small opinions. "I prefer the train."
Opinions make your English sound real.
Talking about daily transport builds confidence because you repeat it often.
And repetition slowly turns words into habits.
After work, life feels a little different. The pressure goes down. The pace slows.
Yes, that's when people talk more freely about what they do next.
Some people go straight home. Others stop somewhere first.
Like a shop or a cafe or the gym.
This is very common conversation. Someone might ask, "What do you do after work?"
And the answer can be simple. I go home or I go for a walk.
You don't need long explanations, just clear actions.
Exactly. Short sentences work best.
For example, I cook dinner. I clean the house.
Or I rest for a while. I sit and relax.
Many learners forget this part, but it's very real life.
Yes, even small details matter.
You can talk about food, what you eat, when you eat.
Dinner is a common topic. People love talking about food.
I cook at home. I order food. I eat outside.
All of these are natural and easy to say.
Even chores are useful to mention. They're part of daily life.
Like washing dishes or cleaning the room.
When you share these things, you sound more real.
More human, more relaxed.
And that helps conversations feel natural.
It also prepares us to talk about how the day feels overall.
By the evening, people often feel different, less busy, more calm.
Yes, the body slows down. The mind, too.
This is when feelings come out, not just actions.
Exactly. People talk about how the day felt.
Someone might say, "I'm tired. It was a long day."
Or, I feel good today. I am relaxed now.
These sentences are very useful, very common.
And very natural. People use them every day.
You don't need strong words. Simple feelings are enough.
Happy, tired, busy, relaxed.
You can connect feelings to actions. I worked all day, so I'm tired.
That sounds real and easy to understand.
Even short answers are okay. How was your day?
Good. Busy. Long.
English doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be clear.
Yes. Clear is better than complex.
At night, routines are simple. People prepare to rest.
They talk about sleep or plans for tomorrow.
I go to bed early. I sleep late.
I need rest. I wake up early tomorrow.
All of this is daily life English.
And it leads naturally to reviewing the words we use today.
So many simple words today. Words people really use.
Yes, words from real life, not from books.
Let's hear them again, slowly.
Wake up. Start work. Finish work.
Eat breakfast. Have lunch. Cook dinner.
Go out. Stay home. Relax.
And feelings, too. Very important.
Tired. Busy. Happy. Relaxed.
These words help you talk about your day, your life.
And you can mix them easily. I work all day. I feel tired.
Or, I stay home. I feel relaxed.
Short sentences. Clear meaning.
This is real English, the kind people understand.
And the kind people reply to.
Now it's your turn. Think about today.
What did you do today?
One thing only. One simple sentence.
Write it in English in the comments.
If this episode helped you, please like it.
And subscribe to the channel so you can practice more with us.
We'll keep it simple and real.
Thanks for spending your time here. See you in the next conversation.